Gonna shot that bullet. Oh!
That's very nice. Oh! Oh!
This is your Valkyrie.
Oh! Oh! My days!
Need to check the footage.
Oh!
The channel, guys. Going to Untouchable. Look at Gigi, yo. She's just chilling. Straight. What? Thank you! Gigi got stuck at the red light. Way too fast on his unicycle. You got stuck! Let's go! We at Untouch.
Look at Alice's
Alice
deck,
got their
man.
all red deck today.
Oh, what's this?
That's Cobalt Drake.
Cobalt Drake.
Oh, wow.
That's the one I'm getting today.
Let's see what you got.
Wow,
Oh, you
even
got the
your-
shark? Okay.
Her
Pheonix
bits are
and
red,
Wizard.
though.
Pheonix and Wizard. Okay. Good luck, man.
Look, even his bits is all red.
Yeah.
And his...
That's a real Beyblade.
What the heck is this?
Hey, what if...
Wow.
They gave me one in my room.
This doll.
Oh yeah, I brought mine today. I'm gonna face him right now.
Oh my god. What's your favorite one? Wait, you got the Rock Leon?
I don't have Rock Leon.
Oh,
I know, but it's not Pegasus.
oh, Pegasus. That's the OG OG. I like this one. This one's my favorite.
Big Bang, yeah.
Yeah.
Lightning Aldrago as well. Come on.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Come on, face me right now.
Whoa, that launch is sick.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Extreme!
No, just 1 point.
That's 1 point?
2, 1.
Wow. That's crazy.
Go, Cyber!
Whoa!
Again.
Metal Fusion?
Yeah, Metal Fusion.
This guy right here is basically the OG Cobalt Dragoon.
Yeah.
This is basically Cobalt Dragoon elevator right here.
Yeah.
Basically.
Like I can launch it with my hand, and I'll probably
This
still
is
be,
what-
and I can probably beat him on stamina.
You would. This is what's
As long as it stay in the center, you're cooked.
this is what I mean.
Yeah, he has to just knock it out.
Spin steel.
on the redder side like this.
Whoa.
Yeah, let's try.
I wanna
Let's try
see
the
launch
hand.
this.
Okay.
Gotta do the method.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
No, that's not the original.
Yo!
Hand launch.
The hand launch. That's crazy. Yeah, it's not gonna stop spinning.
No.
Yeah, you took all my spin immediately.
That's great. What's up? What's up?
You're out, bring her.
Alright, who's sitting here? Oh! Yeah, green's gonna win for sure. Rubber XL.
It's Rubber XL, that was good.
I do the flush after.
Tiny.
Use this. Okay.
Someone use this. Whoa! What? Yo, there's no way you can do anything to
Run
it.
circles around you.
Run circles around you.
Oh, so even if you hit the bottom, it doesn't do anything.
No, exactly. But see, this one you can adjust the height, right? So I can make it shorter
And taller.
Exactly.
Ah. Is that good or no?
37?
37.3? It's okay. It's okay. That's average. That's average.
The weight's like 30. The good weights are higher 37, 38. So you're okay. So this is trash.
No.
It's okay.
No. That's average. That's okay. Yeah. That's okay. Good.
So you're calling me average?
Yes.
Yes.
I like your outfit today.
Thank you. It's laundry day.
Looks rich.
Yeah, I had nothing else to wear.
Let's see if you caught her while around.
I don't think you taught her well.
There you go. I know I'm fighting you, but I'm
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just a different color. That was just brown. It's same thing. It's also free ball. Same thing. It's tighter.
Rip hard, rip hard. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Nice. Whoa! Very nice. Oh! That's crazy.
Free ball, baby!
Pretty nice. That was insane.
That was insane.
Double up pocket.
Strike on strike.
Yo, you really changed up all my bills, didn't you?
Alright, Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Oh! Oh! Destabilization.
Good finish. Score is now 1 to 2.
That reshuffle?
Yeah.
All right.
Keep
Okay.
moving, Gigi.
My spells have been turned against me.
Go festive!
Spicy.
Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Double check that one. One set. Please check that.
Yeah, check that.
Yeah, was it? Wow, okay.
Okay, what's the...
So it's 2-2 right now.
2-2.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, shoot.
3, 2, 1, shoot.
Extreme. Extreme.
Well, what is your Valkyrie?
It doesn't matter when it's on.
Thank you.
Well done.
Nice work.
What's going on in here? Oh my god.
Are you Santa Claus? But
Beyblade Santa Claus.
Baby Santa Claus.
wait, these are all the same ones.
Yeah.
Oh, are you trying to sell them?
Oh wow. This is not the blue pack.
It's not? What is it?
It is the Drake Brave.
Oh, is that the prize? Not the prize. That was the prize? I thought you were holding a Pegasus. Arrow Pegasus.
Pegasus in my bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fire.
Wow. Alright, Chris, what do we got here? You need this? Yeah. That one for you. How much is it? 100. 150.
Nice. Are you gonna use the purple wolf?
Yeah.
But it comes with a black rush.
Yeah, black.
Yo. Oh, the other way. I almost dropped it.
You almost got it, buddy.
Yo.
What is this?
This.
I know.
Wait, what do you open it?
This.
Unboxing.
But you can choose another one if you want. It's up to you.
Come.
Yeah, come.
Oh, purple. Purple? Oh, purple first.
What's this one?
I don't know. Pegasus.
Oh, this is the one that he won from the Montreal. Yeah.
That's him.
Okay. That's wrinkle corrected.
Yo, I am a Drake Brave. Oh, I love the wall.
Let's go. Oh, where's the Black Rush? Black Rush! He's looking for the Black Rush.
Black Rush right there.
Right there.
Damn.
There you go, bro.
There's the hell.
I'm gonna get the rush for you right now. Oh! That's crazy.
Oh, Sebastian, stop that. Look at this. Can I touch it?
Yeah. Alright.
It's hard to do, Gigi. Did you get it? Yeah. You got it?
Here's the Black Rush, my boy. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're matching, yo.
No, no,
everything. Open everything, he said. Everything. Yeah. What? I need more. You need more. I need more. All right. Show the camera, man. Yo, look at the texture on the side.
Let me see that mold. Oh, it looks like there's crystals in it. You can put diamonds in it.
Yo, this is the real diamond. And the real diamond.
Right there. See that?
Oh, 8-8. So that means it's good.
Your walls are taller than normal.
8-8.
Oh, cat.
Right. We got a green ball.
My cabin.
Green ball.
Green ball. Zap. Zappy zap zap.
Here.
Oh, we can bring.
Oh, that's $99.
Oh, this one.
To Hobo thing.
Drake Brave.
I
don't know.
The Drake break.
Yo, that thing's heavy.
Break.
We're about to put them together.
Yeah, that thing's fat.
Oh, look at that bit though.
That's the
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's a CX called Kobo.
Okay, I was like,
That's
Show
crazy.
it up in the camera,
boy.
Seth.
Let's go. But yo, can't beat this one. That's crazy.
Oh, beautiful.
See that?
he's prepared.
That's a special color one, right?
Or a low rush.
That is big.
I know, like I love
Rego Brackerin.
Oh, yeah, we did this.
This one actually came from the ocean.
That's big.
That one is the most beautiful metal
Kraken.
Yo.
Beautiful.
Got like displays all three
Yeah, we're putting on like a keychain.
Oh, a purple orb.
A purple.
A purple orb.
No, put it on that.
Oh, put it on this, yo. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Alright, let's show them
that
on
was
base.
pretty real. Jeez.
Yo, that's sick.
On the shuffle. On the shuffle. Final bake.
3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1. So I'm versing the muscle man again.
Why do you look bigger than last time? This guy's been hitting the gym. 2, 1, go shoot.
You'll take that.
Oh.
Got it. Oh!
Stabilize.
One go. Yep. One go.
Wow!
Oh my god. That was incredible.
That's crazy.
That was incredible.
Ah! Yo! That's crazy! Whoa! That's a reshoot. Easy, yo!
Do one go.
Wow!
Hey, finally!
Yo, it's his first time winning!
Barbara Willy,
Let's have some fun!
Rubber.
Alright, let's get this. Rubber XL versus Rubber XL. Oh.
Definitely got it, though.
Nice.
There it is.
RA's. Bro, Griffin?
Bullet Griffin
You're a
level.
Griffin user! Really stable on Griffin on a level.
At any time now. Griffin doesn't want to gonna shot that bullet.
That's crazy!
Oh, that's a sick play! Oh.
You got it.
No match for a rock, roll up.
Now the spring is gonna get me.
Good game!
You got it, bro. That was nerve-wracking. Yeah.
Let's go, Johnny. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Are you good with the dice?
Yeah, I'm good size. Oh, yeah, Dran mirror match.
What? Who went in first?
We're gonna find out. Oh. Yeah.
Relaunch.
They're like Dragon Ball style, perfectly matched.
Right, and we were like, boom.
Oh! My days.
Oh.
Second base.
Okay.
Golem, bro. Okay.
On wedge.
No, wedge.
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 This is like my secret weapon.
That's
Your secret weapon?
awesome. That's awesome.
I'm cooked.
Alright, Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey!
Light up in there.
Hey! Hey! Golem, not
An actual
Black
head.
flag,
Wedge.
black flag.
Wedge.
Oh, Sharky.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
Oh, what a stall! Oh! Whoa!
Little bit, but
Whoa! GG! Good game!
2, 1, go shoot! That was a good rip, Dre. What the fuck? That was good. Oh, you made it. This battle is played on the outside of the stadium, you know? Do you have that spin steel thing on it? The build for it? I don't know. Shit, you do. It's not dying. That's so fucked up. Never mind. 2, 1, go shoot! There you go. Perfect. Oh, don't go in that corner. Okay, Will. He's been practicing the tricks at home, I can tell. Way to go.
All around the world.
Out of
all the tricks though, that's the worst one. You know that, right?
I know.
You're in the bottom the whole time.
I'm so scared it's gonna just go into the bucket.
100%.
Very dangerous.
It's that sign again.
Are you guys taking a picture game?
Yeah.
2-0. 2-1, go shoot.
Damn. You pull so hard, your glasses fell off.
That's 3. No, that's in the lower pocket. Yeah, you got 2 skins, right? Got it. Sorry, my guy.
The black one.
Another one. Yo, these Beyblade Bros are ballin'. They just got another one.
What's going on?
See the metal sticking out.
I want to use it, but like I don't at the same time.
Look at I'll use it for you.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It matches
That
you.
wolf is so nice. I'm not take. Don't take it out. Don't take
No, I don't care. I don't care.
Didn't you want to use a rush?
Yeah.
You should
Okay,
use
the
rush.
ring is an interesting color choice, though.
Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty.
I don't like that.
You actually 21, you get
This is beautiful.
That is so nice. Oh my god.
test all of them. This is just the test.
Sebastian!
Let's go. Oh my god.
Lord.
Wow, you beat Lord?
Sebastian! Sensei!
2-1, go shoot. What's this ring around the rosy?
Since last week, you gained more muscles.
Am I too scared? No. Green win. You're 1, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, he's trying to snipe you. And ricochet. 3-0.
You got this.
One is pink, one is orange, one is red. 2, 1, go shoot.
Which one's mine?
I don't know.
The tall one.
Well, what's yours on?
I don't even know.
The red one. Yours is red.
Mine's red too.
No, yours is like orangey. Yeah, try not to. That's the game.
Oh, you're on point.
That's 4-0.
So which case are you gonna use, bro? You have 3.
I got the tape on this one.
Okay, you use that one. Okay. Fucking ready.
I'm not. I'm losing it.
2, 1, go shoot.
Extreme!
Oh, still using it.
Who's Rod?
Whoa, it's a left swing. It's a left swing. It's a left.
Alright, don't hurt yourself.
You ready?
Yo, are you ready, bro?
I'll be pondering all the angles.
Pondering, yeah. I'm pondering.
Okay.
Yo,
Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That might have been arrow.
wow!
Wait, let's check.
That might
Let's
have
check.
It bounced.
clean.
Clean. Clean.
Winner.
GG's. It's 4.
Practice it.
Tempo.
All right.
Or B-side. I'll shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Okay.
I won't be out.
Bro, all my strats are out the window.
No. Alright, Jack, you ready?
No!
Okay. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Good. Oh, no.
Let's play the last thing. Yo, that was so Yo, that's crazy.
2, 1, go shoot!
It's too good. I'll beat him one day.
3-2.
You know why you never faced him? What? Because I'm better than him. You got that again?
Yeah. But today I'm better than her, so you're not facing me? Whoa! Why'd you change it up a bit?
I lost first round.
Alright, let's go play.
Fun.
Right? One, 2, 0. 2, 1, shoot. Whoa! Whoa! Terrell, what is your t-shirt? Terrell, whoa!
Okay, it's okay. 2-2. 2.
Whoa! Shoot! Whoa! The thing flew off. Wow, you guys both ripped so hard. Free ball.
Free ball. You know what I meant.
I do that.
2, 1, go shoot.
Whoa. Can we get an extreme?
What's the score here anyway?
3-2 curtain.
I bet you're winning the best in the world trying to find a name for you.
3-3. Second and final Beyblade.
Yeah, man.
2, 1, shoot.
Strong hits.
I'm close.
Yeah, you're close. Oh!
Next time, just
No, he knew who was going to
okay.
end me.
Angelo.
What do you have to say?
Cool.
What do I have to say?
Don't switch back, huh?
Donate their stadium, which I'm not
too.
doing.
Me too. You too.
My cadence is 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 1, go shoot.
Oh, his girlfriend's gonna hear my
2, 1, go shoot. Good.
Yo, what's on that AP?
Oh, bro, that thing is a rock.
Oh, it was
Okay.
like 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Two, 1, go shoot. Good. Seven.
Yeah.
Mr. Untouchables. He's Mr. Untouchables right now. Won like
I know,
2
every
months in a
single
row.
time. You gotta look.
of the last 7 Mondays.
This guy right here, Sebastian, 6-time champs, yo. One of the legends at Untouchable. What an honor to play him at the final bounce today. Let's get it.
Well, I hope Sebastian wins because you ain't gonna get me a sticker. It's okay, go baby, you got this.
And 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Whoa, they're both stalling.
Alright, 1-0.
You got this, okay?
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. This way. Counter attack. One, go shoot.
He caught me right there, yo. He read you right there. He read you.
I get a sticker.
Right there, yo.
I get a sticker.
Hey.
It's just a tip. It's a typical
Hey,
Monday.
next time. Next time.
Monday.
A little barrier, yo. We gotta do this quick. Let's see it. It's not gonna break this time, right? Oh, it's big this time. Yo, my man. Nah, that's what's up. That's what I'm talking about.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's so
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. So pretty. Yo, this is gonna be the champ for the Beycouple tournament.
7-hour print.
7-hour print, yo.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Jackie.
much, Jackie. Shout out to Jackie. Yo.
Jackie. Oh, it's so pretty.
Ooh, the first place, yeah. Yeah.
Well, the hair though. Like we see that.
Yeah, let's go.
Win this. Me and Donna.
Yeah, so you guys can play that. Yeah.
Imagine that.
We're gonna put that on our living room.
Yeah. He's about to win that.
Motivation.
Yeah.
Guys, William made top cut today and he finished. What rank did he finish?
It's basically 5th. I think it's 5th.
Fifth, right? Oh,
Fifth.
not bad.
5th place. His first time making top cut at the locals. Alright, guys.
Alright, guys.
That's it. Gigi did not make it, unfortunately, but he did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.